3, 2, 1, go. Triangle on right, caution gravel on the entry. Caution exit, racing line, run deep. To the middle. Left, right, left chicane. Tighter on the exit. Merge, caution left. Straight ahead. Why didn't you go through? No? Okay. Hairpin left and then double apex, open hairpin right. This is your first difference. Long left-hander starts tight, keep in. Starts tight, opens. Well done. Into, bump on left. You can cut the entry on the left. This is left-right. And then straight into triangle on your left. On your right. Caution bump on exit, racing line. 90 left, third gear. Racing line. Over 90 left, double apex. The first one is on this arrow. The second one is on the 2. Split left. Bus stop chicane on your right. And shortly after the exit there's a double apex hairpin right. Hairpin right. Into 90 left into chicane. Easy chicane, and 90 left on the exit of the chicane. Don't cut because of barrels. And merge. Hairpin right, double apex, hairpin left, correction. Double apex, hairpin right. Long left opens. Into bump on left. That's left, right, left. Into triangle on right. Racing line exit. 90-degree left-hander, third gear. Racing line. Double apex, long left-hander, first one on the arrow, second one on the 2. Split right, and hairpin right, don't get it wrong to finish. That's better. Well done. Yeah, I enjoyed that.